This is a PowerShell console file. It saves the configuration of your command line environment. It is not a script. It's a settings file for IT admins. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's inspect it. I've reserved the ultimate tool for the end. It's the kind of magic application that knows how to handle almost any PSC file. Let's try the simple solutions first. The PSC extension has been registered globally as a member of the data file group. It uses the established PowerShell Script protocol for integrity. The PSC extension can refer to two distinct file types: Papyrus script files used in Bethesda's creation engine for games like Skyrim and Fallout 4, and PowerShell script files. Papyrus scripts control game logic and events, while PowerShell scripts automate tasks and manage system configurations in Windows environments. Papyrus scripts are written in a custom scripting language specific to the creation engine, utilizing object-oriented programming principles. PowerShell scripts are written in a scripting language based on .NET, supporting SAMDlets and functions for system administration. Both file types require specific interpreters or compilers for execution. Most users will find that PowerShell developed by Microsoft Corporation is the best tool for PSC. Windows does not offer the necessary repair tools if the file header is damaged or malicious. Windows may show the file type, but the actual data must be opened in the supporting software. Let's find the specific program that recognizes the file signature. Right-click the PSC file and hit Open with. Test PowerShell, if available. If not, choose a different app. Compatibility is the likely issue. If your PSC file is not opening yet, that is normal. The system is rejecting the file for specific technical reasons. Before we apply the universal fix, let's review the most common causes of the failure. First, use Bethesda Creation Kit. If the file is a Papyrus script for games like Skyrim, open it using the Creation Kit for editing and compiling. Next, use PowerShell ISE. If the file is a PowerShell script, open it in the Windows PowerShell ISE or VS Code to view and run the automation. Finally, use a text editor. Open the PSC file in Notepad++ to view the source code logic and commands in a human-readable format. When your installed apps can't handle the file, guaranteed compatibility is only possible with the specialized universal tool. This is the recommended next step to try. My top recommendation is the Universal Viewer File Magic. It opens virtually all formats, including your tricky PSC file. Visit filemagic.com to download now. If you appreciate these expert walkthroughs, consider hitting the subscribe button to support the channel. I appreciate your time today.